Good evening, beautiful traders. This you're looking at here is called the spike blender indicator. This thing catches every single spike in the market. You can see this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. Contact me now to get this indicator installed on your MT5. We just got our sell signal. You can see the arrow on the chart. We got sell now here. It comes with a write-up. We are waiting for the spike to come up here in this market. We are patiently waiting for the spike. This is a very accurate indicator. It works on every broker. It works on all the brokers. Either you're trading the pain and gain market, which is well trade broker, or derivative market, boom and crash. It works perfectly on every single market. We are patiently waiting for the spike to come up here in this market. You can see for yourself. This indicator is extremely accurate. It does not lag. Boom! I was not even done talking and here comes the spike. This is exactly the kind of indicators every one of you should be using to make serious profit from the market, guys. It is extremely accurate. 100% accuracy. You can see for yourself. See, get this indicator installed now and thank me later. God bless you.